You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Y'all see Sony gang? Yeah. Sony gang in the building.
That's cap! What? That's cap!
Alright, don't take me serious. Alright, there.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. As you can see, we have the Sony A7RV in the struggle studio, about to make some magic with this 3-light setup. We have all the Godox lights: Godox V1, MS300, AD200, and we are going to do some black and white portraits right now.
On Natty Natalia. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Yeah, and just kinda. Oh, Natty. Oh, okay. Perfect. Perfect. And look off to that light. Perfect. Turn your face to me. Perfect. Alright, I want you to play with your hair with one hand. Yeah. Yep. And put that left hand. Can you put it back? Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 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 Love it. Love it. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Oh. Oh, kill him. Alright, perfect. Yep, I like that. Push that foot out a little bit more. Yeah, just so those both even. Yep. Perfect. 1, 2. Yep. Perfect. Yep. Arch your back to the chair and come into it. Yep. Yep, just like that. And let your head fall back a little bit. Let your head fall back. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, keep that. And I want you to look hard that way. Perfect. That left hand, can you fluff your hair just a little bit? Perfect. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. And then put your hands up on there. Yeah. Perfect. Alright. Yeah. And just look off one time. 1, 2. Let's get a couple like that. All right, 1, 2. Perfect. Yeah, I like that. Like that toe point. Perfect. Perfect. Can I get one hand up while you kind of like that? Yes, absolutely. Perfect. Perfect. Ooh. Oh. Come on.
Yeah, I could have been a model for Calvin Klein.
Man, I'm telling you. Come on. Come on with it.
Okay guys, so this next setup is probably one of my setups that I am starting to love the most, and that is this plain wall. Now a lot of people don't own a studio like I have, so I think I'm going to make this actually a series, because between the last few photo shoots that I have done, I have been able to create a lot with just a simple plain wall, and this wall is about 3.5 feet. So let's check it out and see what we are able to get in this small space. I think everybody should be able to find a wall.
All right.
At least a wall.
Yeah. 1, 2. Like that. Yeah. 1, 2. All right. Let's see. Yeah, like that. I like that. All right, let's do, can you put one leg up? It might be hard. Yeah. Let's see. And yeah, just come back and just kind of like pull on right there. Yeah. Perfect. One, two. And look off that way. Yeah, 1, 2. Right. Yeah. And cross your legs again and do that same thing. Yeah. 1, 2. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. You think you could do like one hand up with that? Yep, that's it right there. Yeah. Yep, right there. 1, 2. And look off with it. You don't even gotta look at me.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD, and if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.